In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the zoom function in DaVinci Resolve. This feature is incredibly useful for highlighting details or adding a distinct touch to your videos. We'll go through each step to make sure you're comfortable applying this effect to your own projects. First, let's get started by opening DaVinci Resolve. Make sure that all your desired video clips are neatly arranged and ready in your media pool. This is important because a well-prepared workspace makes the editing process much smoother and more efficient. Once you've got everything organized here, you're ready to proceed to the next phase, which is getting your video onto the timeline where all the magic happens. Now, go ahead and drag your chosen video clip from the media pool onto the timeline. This is where you'll be doing all your edits, so it's crucial to position it correctly to fit your editing sequence. Don't worry about getting it perfect right off the bat. You can always adjust it later. With your video on the timeline, the next step is to click on the inspector, which you can find on the upper right corner of the screen. The inspector is your go-to tool for modifications, giving you control over various aspects of your video, like its position, opacity, and in this case, the zoom function that we're going to focus on. To create the zoom effect, you'll want to use keyframes, which are essential for any animation within your video. You'll do this by clicking the small diamond icon. This action marks the specific points in your timeline where you want the zoom effect to begin and end. Try to visualize where in your video the zoom will best enhance the viewer's experience, perhaps focusing in on a particular detail or creating a dramatic shift for emphasis. After setting your keyframes, it's time to adjust them according to your creative vision. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune the start and end points of the zoom, as well as the degree and speed of the zoom itself. You can experiment with these adjustments until you achieve the desired effect that best suits the flow and mood of your video. These steps will empower you to leverage the zoom function in DaVinci Resolve effectively, giving you another versatile tool to elevate your video editing skills. Remember, practice and experimentation are key components to honing your craft. So take your newly acquired knowledge and apply it to your editing projects. Whether you're refining your home videos or working on professional content, the zoom function can add a dynamic element that's sure to captivate your audience. Happy editing, and don't forget to have fun with the process.